Okay guys, this is a Nissan Murano 2003 with a 3.5 engine. If you guys asking about that ticky noise, I'm gonna show you what's the problem. First of all, there is a video posted on YouTube about the tensioners and the guides, and the guy on the video says this guide is making a problem. This one right here, but it's not my problem. As you guys can see, the guide is in a good conditions, and he says also to remove one of the front covers to see the tensioner, if the tensioner is bad. And that wasn't my problem, but anyway, I got a new guide from Nissan, and I'm gonna replace it because I know this guide is making a problem. So I'm just gonna replace it, and also I'm gonna replace the chains, tensioners, everything on it. But because nothing was my problem, it wasn't the tensioner and the guides, I'm gonna show you what's the problem. It was going a little bit further, and I have to remove the camshaft. Got the camshaft out. Take some pliers and get the lifters out and check all of them. So got the lifter here, and this is the problem. As you guys can see, I'm gonna try to make it so you guys can see it very good. Okay, let's see. Okay, you guys can see the problem there. That's the problem. The thing is, because this thing is damaged, it has more space between the valve and the camshaft, and that's why it's the ticky noise. So this is my problem, so I have to replace all of them. I'm gonna show you another one, and this is another one. This is not bad. It's a little bit bad, but not like the other one. But still, I'm gonna replace them all. I got them also from Nissan because there is no any auto store they can sell them. Got them, all of them here, brand new. You gotta be looking like, okay, like, I don't know, you see guys, it's clear, nice, and good conditions. This is a new one. One thing, there is a numbers. All of them has a number: 802, 806, 8010. For example, that's the size of the lifter. So if you thinking to replace the lifters on your car, you're not able to use the same ones because they are already bad. So you have to go for new one with a different size. Like this one was it's 8.10, so I'm gonna go with the 8.12 because they're damaged. So I'm gonna show you guys once I finish the job how it's gonna look. So I hope you guys gonna get some help from this. Okay, thank you.